Stop buying the wrong premium noise-canceling headphones in 2026. If you're new to this game and just want the absolute best, most user-friendly experience without the fuss, you're probably overwhelmed. Well, I've spent hundreds of hours with all the top contenders so you don't have to, and today, we're cutting through the noise to find the absolute best for beginners. And before we even get into the countdown, let me just say, our number one pick for beginners this year might surprise you. It's not the one everyone else is hyping, but it is the one you'll love if you're just starting your premium audio journey. Look, let's kick things off at number 5 with a statement piece, the Bowers Wilkins Px8. These are luxury you can hear and feel. The sound quality is genuinely breathtaking, incredibly detailed and rich, like having a private concert in your ears. And the materials? Leather, polished metal, they just scream premium. If your idea of a beginner means you're diving headfirst into high-fidelity sound and appreciate a truly luxurious experience right out of the box, the Px8 are for you. You want exceptional audio first, and decent noise cancelling second. But that luxury comes at a price, and not just monetary. Their noise cancellation, while good, isn't in the same league as some others on this list, and they're definitely on the heavier side. Not ideal if you're looking for ultralight all-day comfort. Now, if the Px8 feel a little too much for your first step, but you still crave fantastic audio quality, then you absolutely need to consider our next pick. That's the Sennheiser Momentum 4 coming in at number 4. These headphones offer phenomenal sound, pure and balanced, a true Sennheiser signature. What really makes them beginner-friendly is the insane 60-hour battery life. You can forget about charging them for days, sometimes weeks. Plus, they're surprisingly comfortable for long listening sessions. These are perfect for the beginner who values incredible battery life and wants to start their journey with genuinely excellent audio without breaking the bank quite as much as the Px8. They're a solid all-rounder. The noise cancellation here is very good, but again, not chart-topping. And while comfortable, their design is a little plainer compared to some of the flashier options. From a battery beast to a beautifully integrated experience, our next contender is something special, especially if you live in a particular ecosystem. You guessed it, the Apple AirPods Max at number 3. For Apple users, these are the definition of seamless. The moment you put them on, they just work with all your Apple devices. The spatial audio is mind-blowing for movies, the build quality is tank-like, and their noise cancellation is legitimately fantastic. Unquestionably for the Apple enthusiast. If your phone, tablet, and computer all have an Apple logo, these are the easiest, most intuitive premium headphones you can get. The transparency mode is also industry-leading. But if you're not in the Apple ecosystem, these become a tough sell. They're heavy, incredibly expensive, don't fold down very compactly, and charging via Lightning in 2026 feels, well, it feels like 2020. Leaving the walled garden of Apple, we move to a brand synonymous with top-tier noise cancellation and a truly user-friendly experience that often gets recommended for beginners for a very good reason. This is the Sony WH-1000XM5, our number 2 pick. Sony is a legend in noise cancellation, and the XM5s absolutely deliver. Their ANC is incredible, silencing everything from plain engines to office chatter. The sound is fantastic, very balanced and enjoyable, and the comfort for long periods is outstanding. They just disappear on your head. The XM5s are for anyone who wants world-class noise cancellation, excellent sound, and a super comfortable, lightweight design that's incredibly easy to use straight out of the box. They're a fantastic all-rounder for travel, work, or just daily listening. My one honest flaw for the XM5 is that they don't fold up. While they come with a nice case, they're not quite as compact for stuffing into a smaller bag as some of their competitors. So, if Sony's incredible package is number 2, what could possibly be number 1 for beginners? Well, if you prioritize pure, unadulterated comfort and the single most effective noise cancellation on the market, then our top pick is going to blow you away. It's the Bose QuietComfort Ultra, and for beginners, these are simply unmatched. Bose has always been the king of comfort, and the Ultra continue that legacy. You can wear these for hours and forget they're even there. But the real magic is the noise cancellation. It is, without a doubt, the best on the market today. It creates an almost eerie silence that no other headphone can match, making them incredibly simple to just put on and escape the world. The controls are intuitive, the sound is classic Bose, clear and pleasing, and the new immersive audio feature is a cool bonus, although not essential for beginners. If you are new to premium headphones and your absolute number one priority is pure, unadulterated, best-in-class noise cancellation combined with supreme comfort and a dead simple user experience, then the Bose QuietComfort Ultra are your ultimate starting point. Just put them on, and the world melts away. If I had to pick one flaw, it's that while the sound is very good, it's not quite as dynamic or detailed as some of the more audiophile-focused headphones on this list, like the Px8 or even the Momentum 4. But for a beginner prioritizing ANC and comfort, it's an incredibly minor point. So there you have it, the best premium noise-canceling headphones of 2026, perfectly suited for beginners. Remember, the right pair depends on your priorities, but you can't go wrong with any of these. If you're ready to grab your new favorite headphones, check the pinned comment and description right now for the best prices on all these models. Hit that like button if this helped you out, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one.